Well, hey guys, John here from Big Dreams Travel, and this is going to be a room tour here of a family suite at Universal Orlando's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. This is one of Universal's what they call prime value hotels, and they offer standard rooms, but they also offer these awesome family suites that give you the ability to sleep more than four people if you've got a larger family. Universal does really great on this at several of their resorts, but certainly here at Cabana Bay, they have a bunch of these rooms available. And this is one of the rooms. The one I'm in is an exterior entry. It's around one of the pool areas. There are some on another wing of the resort that are an interior entry. But I'm going to flip the camera around and show you a little bit of our family suite here at Cabana Bay. Alright, so when you come in the door, you are met here with the kind of the main family room area. The red sofa there does pull out into a double size bed, so you can sleep six in here. You do have a couple of chairs here for sitting. My room, the window looks out on the pool area. You do have a television here with a dresser and some drawers here out in the family room. There are some outlets over here in the corner under this lamp. And then I'm going to swing around back to where the door was, and the little kitchenette is here. Some shelving units. There is a microwave, coffee equipment, and those types of things. There is a sink, just an under sink area there with a trash can. And then there is this retro looking refrigerator, which is actually really, really big compared to other places, but kind of a cool retro look there on the refrigerator. And just a little seating area here with a couple stools is kind of the kitchenette in this room. There are some power options right here in the kitchenette area. And then we're going to go back here into the bedroom, and you'll find the two double beds in this room. One thing that's really nice about this room is you do have this doorway that can slide shut out into the family room area. And so, of course, if you can put the kids to bed, you still have the ability for the adults to stay up and watch TV in one of the two rooms. There is a television in here as well. A little nightstand in the middle with a drawer there. This really cool retro clock. While we're here, we'll go back here to the, around this corner is the closet area where you can see the ironing board. In the closet, there are some linens up there for the pull-out sofa. Here's the safe. Back here. I did forget to mention, but by the bed, it looks like all we have here are regular outlets, no USBs. This hotel is relatively new, but not quite new enough to have USBs. I will mention, remember here in the living area, there was this set of drawers on this side, but it looks like down here on the other side of the TV, there's this. That is nothing, which looks a little strange to begin with, but if you come in here to the bedroom on the other side, this is what is in that area. There are more drawers here in the bedroom. So at first glance, I kind of thought there's not a lot of drawer space in here, but then you got those two there as well, which is kind of nice. So really cool retro room design here at Cabana Bay. And then we'll come lastly here into the bathroom, and really a cool bathroom concept here. Great again for families. Of course, you can sleep up to six in this room. So you should have hopefully more than just a standard restroom, but there's a sink area here with linens and those types of things. On one side is just the toilet room. hair dryer. And then the other room here is the shower. There is a second sink in here, which is nice. And then the shower area here, they do have some products here, the VO5 products. Pretty cool. So that is the restroom area. So kind of a split bath like you'd see on maybe Disney Cruise Line or something like that. Super, very cool. So again, that's a family suite here at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Thank you for joining us here today. If you're interested in booking this resort or any Universal Orlando resort or any vacation destination, let one of our dream designers help you. www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell down below. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.